This video will show you how to set up Uline's low-profile floor scales. This video walks through the setup of a 4x4 foot standard low-profile floor scale. While you may have a different size and type of floor scale, steps to setup are similar. Be sure to select a location for the floor scale where it is least likely to be damaged by material handling devices and is free from vibration. Install the leveling feet by loosening the nuts. Use a pry bar or a lever dolly to tilt the scale off the ground and insert the leveling feet. To avoid interfering with the operation of the scale, do not screw the feet in more than 10 turns. Once level, tighten the nuts. Next, remove the cover plate to access the display indicator kit and instrument cable. Connect the indicator stand to the indicator. Route the cable under the scale and connect it to the display indicator. Replace the cover plate. Plug the power cord into the indicator and into any 110-volt outlet. Low-profile floor scales come pre-calibrated and are ready for use. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.